Listen up, it's time to talk about engines. Not just any engine, your engine. You know, the one sitting inside that car parked in your driveway. I bet when you left the dealership, you never thought you'd be dealing with a slew of unwanted problems after only a few months of driving. Problems like decreased fuel economy, rough idle, and slow acceleration. All little headaches that come with newer GDI engines. Now keep up. GDI engines were made to improve power and fuel economy. Sounds good, right? Sure, until you realize that over time they also produce nasty carbon deposits that cling to your fuel injectors, creating the problems that we just talked about. So what do you do when your car starts acting up? Well, when 5 minutes and timeout doesn't work, you use Fuel Injector Pro. Fuel Injector Pro uses a brand new technology created to combat these new GDI problems and make them disappear faster than you can say abracadabra. No gimmicks, no BS. Just a 2-bottle cleanse for your engine. You want benefits? Let's talk benefits. How about no more rough idle, better fuel economy, restored power, plus a laundry list of others. Plain and simple, we're talking making your car run the way it's supposed to. There you have it. Problem's gone. And the only thing missing is that new car smell. Join the hundreds of satisfied customers and try Fuel Injector Pro for yourself. Fuel Injector Pro. Feel the difference.